Hey everyone, this is Sally, and I was just wanting to come on here real quick and show you a couple of my organizing ideas and just some tips for you. This is for my painting supplies, but you could easily do something like this with sewing supplies or other crafty supplies. The first biggest thing that I love are these little cheap Lazy Susans that I found probably at Walmart, and they have come in very handy. I keep on this one, I keep a lot of my paintbrushes, and I know it doesn't look organized to you, but to me, I know exactly where everything is. And I just use little glass jars, or this was given to me by former students. But anyway, that keeps things nice and handy. It's always on my desk, easy for me to grab. And then the other one over here, I keep paint that I'm going to be using, or that I am using currently in a video or making a painting with. So right now I've got Montmartre paint in here. I keep them in a plastic bag usually when I'm not working. I just think that kind of helps keep them from going dry. And yeah, so those are just a couple ideas for you how to keep your supplies handy and organized. Okay, well, I hope to see you this Thursday night at our next Sisters Gotta Make live, and we'll be going live at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll have a link to that live in the description below. So thanks for tuning in, and have a great day. Bye.